Dear Mayor Messam, dear esteemed commissioners, on behalf of marginalized and immigrant communities around the world, particularly in the US, I thank you for recognizing the contribution of immigrants to the development of the United States and to the progress of our beautiful city. God has put us on this wonderful planet with all the resources for us to share and to live happily in peace and in harmony. Unfortunately, motivated by greed and power, some have used religion, race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, and money to separate, exploit, discriminate, denigrate, and dehumanize others. Many influencers around the world use hateful and false rhetoric to incite intolerance and hostility towards immigrants. But what they don't tell is they are sons and daughters of immigrants, or they migrated to the country a few years earlier. Today's proclamation by the City of Miramar reminds us that regardless of our country of origin, our immigration status, the color of our skin, our social status, our education level, or our sexual orientation, we are all the same humans. And we all have the right to exist. We are called to take care of each other, to prosper together, and to make this planet a better place to live. There are enough resources on this earth for all to live well, decently, and with dignity. As we face attacks on the fundamentals of universal human rights acquired over the past century, this is the time for us, agents of love, to stand and to say loud and clear, we won't be defeated. Let's love prevail. Thank you.